Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we are today on Jan 26 Republic Day. So wish you a happy Republic Day everybody and hope you are having a holiday, whether you're a working aspirant or you're a student. It's a holiday for you, and that is why I thought I launched the final batch, the 4 months prelims batch today. And this is a very important batch and the ultimate batch also. You will get 111 days to study in this timetable. I will be starting it on February 6th because I wanted the first Monday to be the day when which you start studying. And from today, if you count, it will be nearly 120 days. So if you join in the next this week, if you join, then we'll give you the timetable. We'll give you start giving test PDF in a particular schedule, and you have to simply sit and read at home. If you dedicatedly read that for that 4 months or 111 days, I can guarantee you that you will clear prelims. So just see the video and check whether it suits you. Okay, please don't jump into something because there is a batch. Okay, it applies to any coaching class or any institute who is offering you something. Please understand it. If it suits you, please come and join. Okay, and I'm calling this batch as do or die batch because compared to other batches, now you don't have time. Okay, now there is just 111 days you have to study, and your notification, it will come on February 1, and then you will be busy again few days filling the form and all these things. So I don't want to take much of your time. That's why February 6th onwards, you will be studying as per Vysh Ias self-study plan, and you will daily read 6 to 8 hours, meaning I'll tell you which textbooks to read or what to read, and you will solve 100 to 200 MCQ. And solving means we'll give you again PDF which has question, options, explanations, everything will be there. You just have to sit and read. So that 6 to 8 hours, if you're ready to give, I guarantee your 100% prelim syllabus will be completed. There will be no mains teaching here because there is no time for you. Okay, if you are a beginner, this batch is completely for beginners who just want to start from scratch and still crack prelims. Okay, it's not for those who have done a lot of the studies and all, because you are already maybe following some timetable. So please continue that. Okay, like our previous batches and all, you follow what is already given to you. Don't mix up this and that. Okay, so now if you go and type Vysh Ias 2023 test series, okay, or whichever year test series, you will get a set of videos. So the last batch which we launched was 6 months and 175 day timetable, and that's going on. Okay, students would have got at least 40-50 tests by now, and it is going on. So till the May 28 timeline it will go, and this is a 1 year batch which we launched 7 months ago, and this is, if you see, this is a 8 months batch 230 day timetable. So we keep doing as per students' demand. Now students were asking like, sir, I want to start from scratch. Till now personal reasons were there, I could not study, but I still want to crack prelims 2023. And that is why we are launching this final ultimate batch which we call do or die batch. And in this, if you see, you have 4 months, right? February, March, April and May. So you have to study all the subjects, and we have categorized the reading pattern in this way. Okay, like first you will read the basic history, NCERT, geography, NCERT, meaning which is the most easiest for most of the students. Okay, because this one ready-made books are there, and reliable books are there, like Spectrum, NCERT, geography, NCERT, history. And one good thing is we have free lectures for all these things in our channel. Okay, most of them are in English, some of them are there in Hindi plus English also. Then you will do June and July current affair PDF also, which we will give you. Okay, and art and culture you will do a glance, which you can do either from our videos or you can read the textbook which we tell. Okay, then after that March you will start reading the next important subject, that is the polity, Lakshmikant, and then science, then the next 3 months of current affair, next 5 months of current affair, 6 months of current affair, how much ever you have kept it. That depends on the weightage. Okay, here because we have not put any history, geography, we are putting maximum current affairs. Okay, and art and culture again you will continue. Okay, this and all I'll tell you how we'll do it. Step by step, each day detailed timetable is there. This is just a summary to make you understand what you will be going to do. Okay, and April, then you will continue Lakshmikant, and then important bodies. This is one area from which last year around 10 to 12 questions came. Okay, lot of bodies they asked, like T-board or Coal Coalition, some body, many like international bodies also, UN related bodies, climate change related bodies, many questions came. So we have made 500 MCQs specific to that this time. That also you have to simply read and by heart. Questions will come directly from this. Okay, then there is ancient and medieval history, then economics, then February, March current affair, then geography plus maps reading you have to do, which again 200-300 questions I'll give you with pictures and diagrams. Then we'll have environment, art and culture remaining, polity, whatever is the extra test, meaning not Lakshmikant based. There are some extra things which you cannot find in Lakshmikant. Okay, then we'll give you revision charts to glance through or by heart lot of prelims fact, then the April, May current affair, and then full tests will be there. Full test 15, full test I'll give you, meaning it will be a mix of all the subjects, 100 questions, everything will be there. You have to just read by heart, you will, by heart means understand and by heart. Okay, for understanding only, first I am telling, read the textbook first and then the test. Okay, so this is the overall plan, and now I will detailedly give you also, but before that we'll see how does Vysh Ias help and what is going on nowadays. Okay, in UPSC, the results of UPSC prelims are coming very fast now. Okay, like the last prelims, if you see, in 17 days, in record time, the prelims result came. So this time also on May 28, when you give right, it will come very quickly. It will come very quickly means you won't even realize. You will be just sitting and calculating marks and all. By that time, your result will come in 1 week, 2 week time. It will come. Okay, so mains also 2022. If you see, December 6 6th the result came, and interviews are now going to start this week, January 30. Our students are also giving interviews. So January 30 it will start, and it will go on for 2-3 months. And before you give your prelims, right, in May, before you give your prelims in May, the topper, you will come to know who is the topper of 2022. So that time also, please don't sit and waste time analyzing their strategies and all these things, because you are having your own strategy and you will clear with your own strategy only. Okay. So now main thing, big important date for you, 2023 batch, is that the notification will come. And if you have seen my foundation already, you will know how the notification will look like, what you have to do, reservation, everything you will know. You just have to open it, then go and open that form and fill your thing and submit. In one day you can do it, because you have already seen my foundation. If you have not seen my foundation, it will be like 2-3 days you will waste time. So please come and WhatsApp me and get the foundation first. Okay. Then last day is February 21. So in 20 days time, you have to submit that form. Okay. With your all OBC things and everything, you have to do that. Please go and watch foundation to understand that better. Okay. And again on February 1, I'll make a video. When the notification comes, I'll make a video to summarize it. Then your exam is on May 28, around 120 days left. And then June 17 approximate. That is what I'm telling. In 17 days, your result will come. Okay. 17 to 20 days, your result will come. And then you will do the mains in September, and remaining things are like interview and many are tentative dates, because 24 calendar UPSC is yet to announce. Okay. 2024 calendar, which they have usually publishing, has not come. Okay. 2023 is come. Based on that only we have set these dates. Now, batch 1 we launched on June 15, then August 15, October 1, December 5. So 4 batches are already done. Okay, first 3 batches had prelims plus mains also, mains evaluation also we had, and then we had launched the batch 4, which only prelims is there. Now batch 5, February 6th, which you should join if you are a serious aspirant, will also not have any mains concept. It will be just prelims studying throughout 4 months. Okay. And this is a paid thing. So last I'll tell you what is the payment and what is the structure and all. So with installment I'll give you. So don't worry on that. 2-3 months you can take to pay. Not like you have to full pay now itself and do it. Okay. And then it's a guaranteed prelim success if you follow religiously. Because what happens is you enroll to 100,000 test series. You get a lot of Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and here and there copy pasted materials, and everything if you study partially, you will not clear. I'm not telling only Vysh Ias. If you decide like, okay, I will take only that Vysh Ias magazine and I will study, and that is the only thing I will do, you will clear. Okay. Or you take any one other institute and do, you will clear. Like that, if you take Vysh Ias, you will clear. But if you mix up, take 2 tests from here, 2 tests from there, then there is like very less chance that you will clear. Okay. And one more thing, it is only in English medium. We are currently not giving any test series or materials for Hindi medium students. Okay. Only English medium is there. Our lectures, which are free of cost in YouTube, has little bit of Hindi also, but we don't have PDF concept for Hindi as of now. Okay. And it includes an editable study timetable. So in case 2-3 days you have some family function, something else, you can edit it and change it also. It's an Excel sheet. I will show you at the in this video. Okay. Now February 6 to May 27, if you are ready to study, I will show you more things. Okay. So we want result, we want all India toppers, and we shall do anything to get there. Okay. We are teaching every day, day and night. If you see, our teachers are giving you free MCQs and free lectures and tricks to remember certain things in prelims. Our YouTube yesterday also, I think 5 or 6 videos were uploaded. Every day we are uploading, but it's only the most serious people who are watching it. Others later they will realize that, okay, I should have ideally watched it, then I could have solved one extra question. So please don't be that student who is ignorant. Please take seriously. Okay. As I told, if you're following one channel, follow that very strictly. Okay. And if you also want to get that results, okay, like this year, as I told, we have got students till interview stage. Next year, we want more students to clear the interview stage also. So if you are that person who has that hunger for UPSC and want to message us like this, okay, like this is last year student, prelims pass, sir, your techniques help me. So like this, I want more and more messages next year. So please, if you want to have that dream fulfilled, only then be part of this program. Else you don't even watch this video. Okay, please don't waste time. Instead, sit and study something. Okay, so be with me without skipping. If you are a serious aspirant, if you are here to get your UPSC dream, next 1 hour is crucial. I will tell you a lot of interesting things. Okay, this if you see the latest videos in if you see the views, people don't watch it. People later accumulate it and then think like, okay, later I will do. But what happens is, by that time when prelims nears, right, you will not watch it like this. You will maybe watch one video randomly, then you will see like, okay, like this, there were many videos where economic concepts were explained. One full playlist is there of economics. You didn't even realize, because you were busy doing something else. Okay, and then next day maybe some other distraction will come. Some new Telegram group you joined, some new WhatsApp group you joined. Each day is a distraction because you don't have discipline. You don't have timetable. So that is why we are giving you a timetable. At least that one, take it and follow. Okay, and please watch it. Everything I'm telling you, questions will come in prelims, and after prelims I'll show you that also. Vysh versus UPSC. We have a concept where we show, okay, Vysh versus UPSC, where how many questions came from our test series and elimination tricks. Every year it is close to 100 marks. We are able to give you that. Okay, that videos are available. You can go and watch. Simply type Vysh versus UPSC. So now another thing is, we give lectures for free. Then why is this thing paid? Why is PDF paid? So there is a saying, you pay attention only when you pay. Okay, and this is valid. This is valid for UPSC also and makes complete total sense, because we found that every materials, after 2017, 18 and all, when YouTube came, when everything came, there's everything free of cost already in the internet already. Okay, even Vysh Ias provides you unlimited free guidance. There is no limit to it. Every day there are a lot of videos. But when experience is there, okay, when the result comes, because of the 0.001 success rate of UPSC, we see that students take free things for granted. Okay, they do not follow them strictly because they first thing don't know how to follow them. There is no timetable, there is nothing, randomly videos are coming, and students who did not follow a disciplined timetable, right, they have all failed in UPSC. Okay, it doesn't matter whether it's Vysh Ias or Vysh Ias or whichever institute it is. If you don't have a timetable, you are going to fail. Okay, and that is not to demotivate you. Instead, it is to motivate you. Today itself, you have to either form your own timetable or join somewhere like Vysh Ias where they give you ready-made timetable. Okay, it's your choice, but you should have a timetable, and only then you will pass prelims. Okay, prelims means whichever, any exam. It's not only UPSC, but UPSC, it's little bit extra difficult. Okay, so apart from free guidance and video, we always have a paid timetable which starts with a 1 year test series, 1 year timetable for both prelims and mains, and then we later take it to different batches, and then it will be finally, like as I told, batch 5 which we are doing now is having only 2 types of paid test series. Okay, one is a prelims test PDF and one is prelims test PDF plus the audio explanation of that. Meaning I will read out the questions for you. Now you would be seeing samples in YouTube already. I put economics questions and all. I read out the questions. So people just have to sit and listen. Okay, because when you read it by yourself, it takes time. So if you listen to me, 30-50 test, if I give you audio explanation, it will like faster you will finish the test. Okay, and you have higher chance of understanding it better also. So if you are that student who is liking how we teach or I teach or any of our teacher teach, then please watch forward and then you should join. Okay, now the inquiry which comes, okay, now this video I uploaded, within 2 minutes first comment will come. Okay, meaning a 1 hour video, within 2 minutes he will tell, okay, give me the test, what is the fees, or whether you will give me installment. You are asking all these questions by just watching 2 minutes of a 1 hour video. Please don't be that non-serious aspirant. Watch the full video, understand what we are telling, not bother only about the price, whether it is free. And because people are like that, okay, it's free, then send it to me. This is my email ID, send it to me. This is my WhatsApp number, send it to me. Please don't be that people who are running behind cheap products or any free products. Okay, even Vysh Ias materials, if it is not worth for you, our lectures, don't watch them. Okay, only if you like it, watch them. Else, because it's free, don't force it upon you. Okay, and these groups which they tell 99 rupees, 199 rupees, they are the biggest frauds kind of people who will take everybody's materials and put it in one group and keep putting. Okay, and what you will have is in your WhatsApp, it will be like, okay, today 1000 unread messages are there, you didn't read it. Tomorrow morning you wake up, it will be like 1040 unread messages, because every day they are posting lot of Hindu articles and this thing and that thing, and you simply accumulate it in that to not one group, hundreds of groups are there. If you are serious, follow any 1 or 2 mentors or group. Okay, if at all you want a group also, if you want, like in rural areas, newspapers don't reach, so you may need a group for newspaper. That is totally fine. But this junk collection which you are doing, right, you will never pass UPSC. Okay, nobody passed UPSC. Any topper you go and ask, if you know them, you go and ask them, they would not have done all these things. They have studied the standard textbooks. They have studied the NCRTs. They have solved 1 or 2 good test series. They have attended mock interviews from 1-2 good institutes. This is the only thing they have done. They didn't collect pictures and collect newspaper articles from here and there. Okay, a serious aspirant will ask, what do you cover in this course? What is the price? Is it practically possible to sit and study like this? All these things you check, and if it's worthy, only then they pay and only then they do. Okay, so this is our 2023 batch people's screenshots. Okay, when they started studying, they itself understood. Like if I read NCRT 2 times and then I check the UPSC test series question, they're still finding it. Okay, this point I missed. Okay, that point was exactly there in the NCRT, but you did not take it seriously, and we put a very clever question. You understood that, okay, this is how you read between the lines. This is how you read the most important things from the text. This is how UPSC can frame a question from that same textbook which I read 2-3 times and still couldn't solve it. So that is what practice or good MCQ practice helps you in. Okay. So all these, okay, if you see, we have, good thing is this year we have students from Jammu and Kashmir also, and we have students from Northeast section, Gujarat section if you take, or the South states, and even from Lakshadweep we have a student who joined prelims plus mains. Okay, so all these people, I wish they clear, and we get toppers from every part of India. Okay, it's not like 1 or 2 places which we want to restrict to. We want to make this completely available to everyone. Okay, so again, when we show these screenshots, right, many people will tell, don't waste our time, directly jump into the content. Okay, your channel is worthless, you are simply showing screenshots. Okay, and in case we did not show screenshots, then they will tell, like, are there any student who actually bought your test series? Are there anyone who actually benefited from this? So either way, non-serious students are going to shout and I'll tell all this all the time, non-serious aspirant exist in this world just to make the serious aspirant succeed easily. Okay, they are there, that is why you are passing, because they will time pass, they will simply waste their entire 1 year. Meanwhile, those serious aspirant cleverly will study and get those rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, whatever they want. Okay, so be that serious aspirant, and I want them to be a part of Vysh Ias, not the non-serious aspirant. Okay, this again, I'm not pausing, you just pause and do, because if I read, it will take a lot of time. Okay, because hundreds are there in my WhatsApp. If you're there, you would have seen I put status of all these things, because they are typing this much good messages to me, so I feel like I should show it to others also. That is why I put as status. Okay, I don't message you and disturb you with these things, but I put as status, or in my Instagram I keep posting. So please pause and read, understand Vysh Ias before joining Vysh Ias. Okay, same like you understand UPSC before studying for UPSC. Okay, that is my ultimate goal. Simply don't jump into a MCQ concept. Okay, and there are other videos which you can see, as I told, the Vysh versus UPSC proof videos of 20, 20, 29, 21, everything will be there. If you type in YouTube, you will get it. Okay, and then why Vysh Ias helps you reach cutoff, how should you join a test series, why coaching is not important for everyone. Okay, what to do with the foundation, after the foundation, how to make a timetable, everything free of cost is there in my YouTube itself. Please go and watch. Okay. So for beginners, okay, if you have not given, meaning you are just 21 years old, you are giving your first attempt in this May, you may not have seen much UPSC questions now. Okay, so that also we have free playlist, but I will show you some questions of the latest 2022 exam before going into the pricing and all these things. Okay, so this, if you see, it's a history question plus a current affair question. Somnath temple. Okay, regarding that, the new circuit house they have inaugurated. So question they asked is not about the circuit house, they asked about the static part of Somnath temple. Okay, and that is there in our final full test 9, which we gave 1 week before the exam last year. From that only question came. Okay, 1951 it was inaugurated, and here they are telling the second president Radhakrishnan inaugurated it. So that common sense, if you have, 1951 is immediately after independence. Jawaharlal Nehru is the one who did it, Rajendra Prasad is the one who did it. That time this person is not the president. Okay, Radhakrishnan is not even the president. So that one statement 3, if you eliminate this one gone, answer is 1 and 2. You did not have even to read the first 2 statements and you got the answer. And last year many questions were like that, where you could have eliminated. Okay, this is the B cell and T cell question. B cell, T cell, again, if you see, it's direct. Okay, about our immunity. Okay, so this protects the body from diseases caused by pathogens. That is the only thing you have to know, and that is clearly given in our science test. Okay, science, we already made a video on how to prepare science and tech, and this is one of the, again, easiest question, like qubit. Just we explained you the entire thing about cloud computing and this classic computing and quantum computing. They just asked you what is qubit related to. Okay, so quantum computing, this much silly question they asked. They did not ask you any explanation or technical part of it. Okay, and economics was the easiest part last time, because every question was one statement eliminator. Okay, here if you see, this is about the let me see, inflation is high, and this one. Okay, this is about when inflation is there, what will RBI do. Okay, so this basic concept of money and banking, which is there in our economics test again. So government securities are purchased by RBI is false. Government is by actually sold by RBI. Okay, here we are asking which of the following are false. So this purchased by RBI is wrong. It is actually sold by RBI. If you see here, explanation, sold by RBI. Here also they told that only. Instead of purchase, they put buy. Okay, so that is a wrong statement. You eliminate one from here, eliminate one from here, and you get the answer as 2 and 3. So one statement eliminator, lot of questions came last year. This was about, again, tight money policy, capital flight, then devaluation time, what will happen. So it does not decrease the this thing, currency risk. It will increase the currency risk. Okay, that also is given here in our external commercial borrowing, economics test number 2. All these tests will be given to you also. Okay, because static test will never change. Static test is always the same for any batch which is there. And this one is near and rear, which again is a very, I'm not showing you properly this one because this already I have done in multiple videos. Okay, because we don't want to waste time. Just understand the topics which came and what came, because left side is UPSC question, right side is Vysh Ias question. Okay, this near and rear is a very outdated thing and which never comes in news, but we kept one question, okay, in this NCRT test which you have, the first test of economics, one question just to make you understand what is a concept, and that exactly was picked up and asked. Like here they told improvement in trade competitiveness, but it is loss in trade competitiveness. So eliminate 2, and you get 1 and 3. This is actually a very difficult question. Okay, but if you have done a good test series, as I told, if you have religiously followed only Vysh Ias, this was an easy question for you. Okay, then golden mahseer, it is not a bird, it is a fish. Okay, your question itself we have given what is true about mahseer fish. Okay, then here if you see different African military coup and whichever military things happened, that 4 articles they have given, 4 options they have given, in which 3 of them were there in Hindu newspapers. Okay, so based on that 3 things I have taken lectures already and test series also. All the African coup movements I have listed here. Okay, so here only this one was not there, chart is not there, and that they made up, so that if you eliminate you will get the answer. Then here T-board, which was direct from our class 10 geography NCRT chapter number 4. I think 21st minute you go and check it. Exactly what UPSC have asked is there. Okay, 2 questions came. This also is a T-board question. This is also in the 19th minute of the same video. You go and watch, the same thing is there. The states which generally produces T. Okay, so all these are direct questions. Okay, then this is coal controller organization, which again I told, important bodies we have a test. Okay, where 400 to 500 MCQs, I sit and give you all the explanation of all the bodies. Okay. And from that only, direct, each statement is there. Okay, every statement which UPSC asked is there in our explanation also. And this is a little bit debatable. So that is why this one I have kept it separately. We have to wait for the answer key, which will come after a few months. Okay, because there is a doubt regarding one of the options here, hearing any objections. Okay, as per, like it acts as an appellate body. So that should be true. But still we want to wait for the confirmation from UPSC. Okay, but all the details, whatever they asked, maximum which any coaching can teach you is already there in my PDF. Okay. Then here, if you see the requirements to join this test series, which this much I am showing you, first thing is a sincere, dedicated mindset with the willpower to study for 1 year. 1 year is for my first batch actually. Now for the next 4 months. Okay. So 4 months, if you are having this dedicated mindset to sit and study, only then join. Okay. I don't want like you pile it up and then simply, okay, I paid you, give me PDF. I paid you, give me PDF. You are collecting PDFs there. But if I know that you're not studying, then we will be more disappointed than you. Okay. Please don't buy it just to collect the PDFs there. Okay. Because that will not help you. Okay, then a mindset to follow our instructions as given on WhatsApp and email. Meaning, I'll tell you today read NCRT chapter number 1, 2, 3 means you have to read that. Without that, on the next day when I give you the test PDF, you will tell this is all difficult question. I can't answer anything. You can't answer because you did not read the chapters when I told you. Okay, please read the chapters or watch the videos which I tell you. And a sense to not ask queries which is already answered in the video given. Like we are telling you this much things, without listening to all these things, you will directly ask, okay, will you cover that? Will CSAT be covered? Will MAPS be covered? Will you cover that elimination technique? If you watch the entire video, you will get all the answers. Okay, so please don't ask queries which is already answered. Then an active YouTube account, because when you are joining a video explanation or audio explanation batch, you will be, all things will be linked to your Gmail ID. Okay, only if you, with your Gmail ID, you will get access to those videos. And you should be a subscribe to our thing. Okay, subscribe to Vysh Ias, only then it will be visible to you, else that video will be hidden. Okay, then you should have watched all the foundation videos, Vysh versus UPSC video, and anything specifically which I have suggested to you. Okay, all these are free things. Okay, I'm not charging anything for these videos. You just have to watch it and then you have to do. And obviously the course fees, which I'll tell you at the end of this thing. Okay, so this ultimate batch which I told, it doesn't have mains. That is the first point you should understand. It is only for you to start from scratch for prelims and complete the prelims. 111 editable study timetable, 100% syllabus completion, that is guided self-study. Okay, we are giving you something, you have to study that yourself. Okay, then 100 plus marks every year in UPSC prelims we guarantee. We'll give you in this batch 88 test PDF. Okay, that is 8,800 MCQs, and we'll give you a lot of revision charts and snippet cards also, which I'll show you at the end of this thing. And then at least 30 to 50 of this test, right, there will be audio video explanation, meaning now in YouTube, simply go and see my latest video, economics, like I would have explained, like 8 core industries. That is actually one of the MCQ explanation. So like that, out of this 8,800, at least 3,000 to 5,000 MCQs, I will be reading like this out for you. So your half of the time gets saved. Okay, instead of sitting and reading it yourself, you can listen to what I'm telling and your questions get solved. One by one, your questions getting solved. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, and free guidance and foundation video obviously is there, and WhatsApp, you can message me anytime. Okay, now timetable, as I told, is only for prelims. It will tell you what topic to read each day. We do not provide any notes or study material. Our test series PDF, right? Our test series PDF itself is the notes. Okay, that is also a PDF, right? But it will be in question answer format. There will be a question, options, answer. That answer, right, that is your notes. Instead of giving notes separately and questions separately, everything is in one single PDF with hundreds of thousands of pages of notes only. Okay, but we are not calling it notes, we are calling it test series explanation PDF. Okay, and whatever you need to study is from basic NCRT, standard books, which is available in online also to buy, or maybe you already have the physical textbook. Then basic internet searches you can do, previous year papers, which is again free of cost in my channel, then newspaper reading which you do. Okay, all these are self-studyable. There is nothing which you have to go and purchase from somewhere or arrange from somewhere. Okay, it's all available free of cost online. So test PDF is given only after you're given sufficient days to study. Meaning, as I told, I will make you read NCRT for 4 days. Then only I'll give you the NCRT test. I'll make you read spectrum for 5 days. Then I'll make you give the spectrum. Okay, the examples I'm telling, I'll show you the actual timetable at the last. So don't study anything unwanted because you don't have time. That is first thing. And whatever is there on YouTube, right? That is not part of any paid course. Whatever you are getting is like kind of bonus and free. It's not like, okay, just because you paid, because there are some people who tells like that, okay, I enrolled to a test series, now make special videos for me, make that textbook, make Bipin Chandra textbook for me. I am not taking any money from you for lectures. I am taking money for giving you that thousands of pages of explanation of prelims MCQ, which I expect will come in the prelims. Okay, and we are not selling you any video courses as of now. Okay, so watch our foundational videos before you enroll, because that is very, very important. And whoever has watched, we have seen that they are clearing prelims. Okay, because that tells you what is UPSC, how to apply, what is your like study mode, study timetable, economic survey, why it's important, previous year paper, newspaper, current affair, importance of each of the mains paper with I am showing even the previous year questions of mains. Okay, I don't think any other YouTuber is even doing that. Every question of mains they are showing you and trending. I don't think anybody is doing that. They just tell you, okay, GS1 means that, GS2 means that. But how we have covered, or I have covered, and this is done 2-3 years back. Okay, if that much detailing way it was done, that even now it is on one of the most watched videos in my channel. Okay, so please see to it that you watch foundation. Without that, don't join my test series. Okay, now we give you 10 promises. Every time I give 10 promises to my students, I will make you the most competitive aspirant in the country. Okay, so competitive aspirant means you will be on par with anyone who is studying with all the facilities. Okay, maybe they are sitting in an AC room in Delhi in a very luxurious PG with all the books and maybe 4-5 group study members they have. Some mentor is personally mentoring them. Suppose that person with all the facilities, with an iPad, he is sitting and doing notes or making notes, and you are in a rural village or whatever, it doesn't matter. I will make you on par with him. Okay, what he studies or gains knowledge, you will also get. That I can guarantee you. That is what I call most competitive. So don't think like I'm telling you I'll make you surely pass, because I cannot make you surely pass. Only 1,000 people will pass, right? 1,000 people will get IAS, I mean the final result, and that only 100 will get IAS. So I cannot guarantee you that. If anybody guarantees you that, they are actually fooling you. Okay, don't believe those people who tell like, okay, I'll make you surely pass. I am telling you, if you study properly, you are on par with them, you are a proper competition to them, and you have a high chance to beat them. Okay. We'll make you cover 100% the syllabus, but mains anyway we are not covering now, and CSAT we are not covering. Okay, we don't have any test for CSAT, but I'll tell you what to do for CSAT. You just have to solve on previous year papers that I'll show you in my timetable. Then we'll make you learn at least 2 to 4 years of current affair. Okay, 12 months of current affair is already included, and many other months separate packages are there. If you want, you can buy them also. Then we'll make you learn the previous year papers free of cost. Okay, this is free. I'll put videos on YouTube. Already it's there. 2016 to 21, it is already there. The 2 years before that and 2 years after that I will upload before your prelims date. Okay, then we'll make you read every needed NCRT, every needed standard textbook. Okay, I'm telling you, I'll make you read. Okay, don't think we are going to read it for you. We have lectures, but still you have to read it as per the timetable I give you. So every minute subtopic of the syllabus will be covered, and we'll make you learn 10,000 plus quality MCQs, as I told, through the previous year papers and the enrollment which you are doing for this paid test series. Okay, then I will be in touch with you, WhatsApp, email, whatever, till you clear all stages. Just because it's a prelims batch, not like after prelims I'll delete your number. Your number will be with me. Next year again you want to join something, you want some guidance, you can message me anytime in WhatsApp or email. And if there are typing mistakes, okay, you can tell us and we'll be happy to correct it. Okay, because obviously when this much content we are giving, there can be spelling mistakes, there can be typos, there can be some true or false got interchanged. That and all you can tell me. Okay, so let's go get your dream. Let's begin. Okay. So I'll show you the timetable before showing you more features. This is the Excel sheet timetable which you will get when you join, and this is the summary which I told you. If you see here, different tabs are there. Please don't ask me like, sir, there's nothing here, there is no timetable, only some summary you have given. There are tabs. When each tab you click, different things comes. Okay, at least the basics of Excel sheet you should know, because you are preparing for an exam like UPSC. Okay, so here first page I have given Lakshmikant index, that I will tell you why I have given after some time. So this is like this, and then February 6th Monday you will start studying. February 6th Monday, each day as I told, 6 to 8 hours you have to study. So I have broken into 3 plus 3 plus 2 or 3 plus 3 plus 3. However you want to break it, you can do. As I told, it's fully editable. Okay, if you want just 2 hours to study first slot, to do that. But ultimately, you have to finish like this. Okay, you will start with, as I told, what? History NCRT, Geography NCRT, and Spectrum. Okay, and 2 months of current affairs. So this 20 days first which you study, right? Here you will be doing. And this all clickable link also. If you click on this, it will take to my free lecture. Okay, click on this, watch class 6. Click on this, watch class 7. Click on this, class 8. It's all free lecture. Even though, as I told, I'm not selling paid classes. Wherever lectures are there, I'm giving you the clickable link also. Spectrum, click on this, watch 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. Do this exactly like this. And here, if you see on 12th or 13th onwards, I'll start giving you PDF. Okay, meaning I'll give you this PT means prelims test. Okay, so prelims test number 47 is my Spectrum test I'm giving you first itself, because this is the easiest thing to study and very like lot of marks you can score, because at least 10-12 questions directly comes from spectrum every year. That is why I'm first itself giving you spectrum as scoring subject. Okay, so do this, and here some full test also I'll give you, because full test includes spectrum questions also. It includes certain the other Bipin Chandra questions, NCRT questions, everything. So within these days, you will see that you are learning a lot of things from a scoring subject. Okay, then we'll give you the PT 13-14, which is NCRT based. Then we are giving PT 2021, which is this June-July current affair. And then this much days, right, you will understand you have done a lot in February first half itself. Then again, the class 12th NCRT. Okay, you have to read the textbook. Okay, so this we don't have video lecture, that is why it is not clickable. So you have to read the textbook yourself, and then class geography, you have clickable link, you can click on it and watch. So by this time, you're doing just history and geography 11 and 12, nothing else you will do in all these days. Okay, and you will glance on these topics you can do from either Nithin Singhania lectures are there on my channel for free of cost, or you can read the Nithin Singhania or fine arts textbooks yourself. Okay, 2 hours, simply read these topics alone, meaning here read only Ajanta, Ellora, Buddhism, Jainism, don't read anything else. Here read only about the UNESCO sites, intangible heritage, Indian paintings. If you type this in Google also, right, hundreds of articles will come. So like that, each day I have categorized which is practically possible in 2 hours. Okay, so like that, keep doing. Then we'll give you a test based on 15, 16, that is NCRT 12 and geography 12. Then we'll give you current affairs. So this, if you see, right, this day I have not put you anything else to study. You will do only this 100 MCQs, nothing else. Here you will do only this 100 MCQ. Please don't complicate it and spoil it. Okay, when I tell you something, do that, then you will understand it is practically possible. Okay, else if you take many other things in between this, okay, we will feel, okay, let me do some CSAT also, then you won't be able to do it. Please do what is told. Okay, so March we reached, and March 9th onwards, you are now again getting some more current affair. Here science 300 MCQs I'll give you, and this is practically possible because we have limited questions given here, which is the core things which UPSC is going on repeating and asking. So it's very easy to read these 300 MCQs. Don't read any textbook, don't watch any lectures, do nothing. Okay, just do this. We have science lectures which I'll allot another slot for you, but here just read those 300 questions and answer. You will see that, okay, this much questions I have learned in just one single day. Okay, then Lakshmikant, again lectures are available. You can click on this and watch, or better read the textbook, I will tell, because Lakshmikant is something which nobody can replace. Okay, there is no notes or anything in this country which is better than Lakshmikant for polity. Okay, we can make notes for you, but it will be again copy paste from there only. So please read that in that order, in this order which I tell you, like chapter 1, 2 and 3, 4 only, chapter 5, 6 and 7, 8 only, and here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, meaning in 3 days I am making you read only 8 chapters. Okay, which is easily possible. Now again, this index, first tab, why did I give you index, is because your edition maybe 6th edition or some has 4 edition, so that confusion will come. That is why here when I tell chapter 1, 2, I will be mentioning here this 2. Okay, here what I mentioned 1, 2. If I tell chapter 32, 33, I am meaning these 2. Okay, so that you have to see this index and follow. Don't follow the chapter 32, 33 in your textbook. Instead, this one is what I mean. Okay, why I tell that? Because there are certain chapters which are very big. So if you do it by your own choice, then you cannot complete. Like example, chapter 22 is Parliament chapter. Actually, in one day, it is not practically possible to do. Okay, here if you click, you will get free lectures, which is in English, Hindi mixed. English fully, it's not available as of now. Okay, but you can watch that if you want, or read the textbook yourself. So one chapter itself, right, morning to night, if you read only, then it will get complete. That is why I have not put anything else on that day. Okay, and between the Lakshmikant textbook, test you will get based on which chapters you have already read. If you see this 6 days, right, you are only reading, you are not solving MCQs. After that, you will solve MCQs for these 3 days. That is how it is designed. Read, solve MCQ, read, solve MCQ. And by March end, you have completed what all? Lakshmikant, you have fully completed. History, NCRT, Geography, NCRT, Spectrum, and some Art and Culture. Okay, you have completed it. April onwards, now every day we'll give you 100 to 200 MCQs to read. Okay, so Lakshmikant based remaining things, Geography, maps. Then here 6-7 days you will read only ancient medieval textbooks. Okay, if you cannot read textbooks, click on this. Free lectures will be there. Go and watch the lecture. Okay, so this again, after doing that, we'll give you test based on that. 200 MCQs on ancient history, 200 MCQs on medieval history. And from this, direct questions came last year also for prelims. Okay, then I'll give you 3 tests based on schemes, 300 MCQ of static schemes, meaning it's already available in our country, like Swachh Bharat or Ujjwala Yojana or Pradhan Mantri, this Kaushal Vikas Yojana or Krishi Sinchai Yojana, which are established flagship schemes, which anyway it's not going to change. Only every year your budget will keep increasing, but the schemes are permanently established. Such static schemes are covered here. Okay, so by April 15, you do a lot of maps, ancient medieval history and schemes. Then you will do important bodies, 400 MCQs, and your complete bodies from UNESCO till Indian Niti Aayog, everything is covered there. Okay. Then here 3 videos of economics I have in my YouTube. I want you to watch that. Okay, so more videos will keep coming. Whatever is possible for you to watch in one day, watch only that much. After that, do my test. This 5 test if you do, right, already samples are there in my YouTube. You will understand high quality concept clarity questions. Okay, this 500 questions will help you solve every economics questions which comes in UPSC. Okay, if it's a prelims, sorry, if it's a current affair question, it will be there in my current affair PDF. But the static concept of money and banking, budget, survey, finance ministry, anything, okay, even schemes of economics, it will be there. And here economics survey will have the questions based on economics survey, which in February 1 it will come only then I can make this test. Okay, then you will have the remaining current affair, geography full test we'll do, then environment subject test we'll do. Environment is just static and very easy, ecology, biosphere, environment, everything from your Shankar Ias textbook, NCRT, everything I have covered. Okay, and free lectures are also there, but if you don't watch lecture and still solve MCQ, still you will clear. Okay, but you should study it seriously. These 500 MCQ, you should study it seriously. So every day 100 to 200 MCQs you are doing. So art and culture will do, polity will do, then schemes 4, 5, which is again little bit latest schemes. Then Nithin Singhania, from which again last year 2 questions came directly. Okay, then this one, if you click no, you will get 5-6 videos of science concept based questions, meaning RNA, DNA, mRNA. In my PDF which I gave you, right, already it will be covered, but still some people want video explanation, so this is free video. Okay, click on this and you will get 5 to 6 detailed video. Also space, okay, like SLV, PSLV, rocket launching, everything from basic scratch till the latest Chandrayaan mission will be covered here. Okay, then we'll give you revision charts, which is a very interesting thing, which again type in YouTube Vysh Ias revision chart, you will see samples. Okay, it is designed for you to by heart lot of things like kingdoms and wars and festivals and puppets and all those things, right, which UPSC ask like mastery following and all will be covered in these charts. You can simply sit and by heart it. Okay, even on the prelims day morning, if you keep it with you in your phone and all, you can glance through it while standing outside the exam hall and you will see that lot of questions came directly from this. Okay, then science 4 and 5 and April current affairs. So we reached the last phase now, May month, we will do full test. Okay, May 16 to 22, every day 2 full test. Okay, 2 full test. When you keep solving, you will see the 200 questions of every subject you are seeing. Then one day you will do this one video is there, how to clear CSAT paper, and then do 22 paper and 21 paper. This also free videos I'll try to do before prelims. Already 21 is there. Okay, 22 also I'll try to do. Then this much if you do and you go to exam hall, CSAT paper also you will clear. Okay, then this one, 9900, that is the last full test and the May current affair. After that, last 3 days, right, you have to do only UPSC previous year paper and listen to my tips. Even Vysh Ias test, you can keep it aside. Okay, because the more, how much ever test series you study, right, I'm telling you, UPSC questions will be much easier than prelims test series question. Okay, so when you do this 2016 to 22 previous year paper videos, which is free in my channel, you will get a feel to it and you will go full confidence on May 28 and you will crack that paper. Okay, this has happened in the past also, provided that they have followed this strictly. Okay, meaning they are ready to give their 8-10 hours of day in and day out, studying questions and practicing questions. All of them have cleared. So please take it seriously. Okay, so who should buy this course or why I should buy this course? People who are looking to study from home, self-study from home. 2023, you want to clear prelims. Only such people should buy this. Okay, 100% syllabus is covered through this PDF batch and mains is not covered. You can expect only prelims related topics in this. Okay, what are the subjects covered? All the subjects which you need: history, geography, art and culture, polity. I already showed you the timetable. All these things. Then Lakshmikant from all the new editions, right? From everything I have taken MCQs. History, whichever textbooks you want. Art and culture, whichever textbook you want. Geography, everything including maps. Economics, including economic survey. And then extra months of current affair, right? That you can buy at extra package. Okay, this is an extra package. Because in the current thing which I'm giving you, only this will be there. Okay, like here if you see, this is the 88 test which you will get. Okay, in this 88 test, right, this 12 months is there, latest one is there, but the old one I have striked it off to reduce the price also, so that separately if you want it alone, you buy it. Okay, and these are the text: 16 test of history, 12 test of polity, 15 full test, around 7 geography test, 5-6 economics test, 5 test for environment, science and schemes each, then 4 test of important bodies. Okay, so here it will not include mains and we'll tell you what to read each day. You just have to follow. And how you will reach us: email or WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp and email, both in 24 hours I reply. I have not kept any messages pending more than 24 hours. So please feel free to contact me and I'll tell you the fee structure also now at the end. Okay, this is all the timetable based, same thing. Okay, and you want to see sample PDF, just email me 3 free. Okay, put in the subject line or in the body 3 free. Immediately I'll give you 300 questions which you can see and understand. This alone, if you study, you will clear prelims. Okay, I'll give you some current affairs samples of the latest current affairs, so you can do that. So there are soft copy PDF, unlimited validity, video explanations of, like I told, 30 to 50 tests will be there, and that validity will be till your prelims exam date. Okay, PDF is unlimited validity, meaning you soft copy PDF, you can use it for next year also, because I know some people, even in 4 months you study, you may not pass, because 99% people are going to fail because of the vacancies. You reuse this again next year. Okay, I'm telling you, it is completely static and dynamic mix part. Current affair alone, next 12 months you have to buy if you are giving for 24 exam. Okay, so 23 people should buy this and see to it that you study it. Okay, if you cannot study, please don't do. So 88 prelims test with the explanation, and there is no CSAT included in this. And okay, this is again just the explanation. Okay, what it will contain, how you have to use my PDF. Soft copy question PDF is there, soft copy answer PDF is there, and video explanation for some is there. So what you have to do is open the question PDF and see, like, okay, give me a second. Okay, so you have to take the question PDF and then either read it, question, and try to solve it one by one, or best thing is use this answer PDF as a magazine. Okay, you take the answer PDF and you will see, like, okay, question, answer, explanation, understood the concept, then again question, answer, explanation. So each question is a different concept, like you see in my samples on YouTube. Okay, and if there is video explanation batch which you have enrolled to, you don't even have to read it yourself. You have to open this PDF, put the headset on, and I'll give you the video links. You just listen. I will be reading out to you myself. Okay, and you can, it's not for every test, only for 30 to 50 tests out of the total. Okay, and then everything will be done by email. Don't ask, like, give me test in WhatsApp, give me test in Telegram and all. We don't do that. We give you officially in email. Okay, so that's why you have to have a subscribed login from your Gmail. Okay, and you have to tell me which one is that. So these are samples. This is like the PDF as I told. This is question PDF. So if you want to take this April 2021 current affair, you will say, okay, this is something computer aided cactus, something. Okay, I will tell maybe the certification. Okay, then this is something, some for animals, some animal. Okay, this is both 1 and 2. Suppose you do this, then you will get the answer PDF. This is the answer PDF. So if you see this, this is solar rejection. So you saw that, okay, you have done wrong. Okay, so you can self-evaluate. This was the correct answer and this is wrong. Okay, then you will take the next question. You will see, okay, first corona vaccine for animals. This is correct. I did correct. So I got 2 marks. But here I will read the explanation also, and I will go and read the link also if needed, if I want to read more news about it. And then the third question, if you see, both 1 and 2, okay, I have again made it correct. So let me go and read the theory again. So this answer, either you can do that evaluation type thing, or directly take this answer PDF and read this and study this. And after a few days, take the question PDF and do this. Because you have just 4 months, actually you don't have that much time. That's why I'm telling you, directly take the answer PDF and study question, answer, question, answer. And you, if you are a serious aspirant, you will memorize it quickly also, and you will reproduce it in the exam hall also. Okay, so these are a lot of question samples from last year, which again in a separate playlist I will show you. And this I am showing you because these are all about bodies. Okay, international body, climate group, UNGA, UN Credential Committee, Asian Infrastructural Bank, Missile Technology, SCO, Rapid Financing Instrument. This is that another organization of Turkish state. This is one question which even Vysh Ias did not cover last year. Okay, so that like that it will come. Don't expect that Vysh Ias will cover 100 out of 100 UPSC questions. We will make you 100 plus marks clearable. That is 50 plus questions in UPSC you can solve from Vysh Ias test series itself, and that is what you need. Your prelims mark is nowhere counted anywhere. You being a topper in prelims is no use anywhere. Okay, because it is not counted anywhere. You just have to pass the prelims, and that we will take care. So these are the subjects. Mains is not included. This is actually the mains one. Mains is not included. So mains, no pages I have kept it. So this is the final fee structure. If you see, prelims test PDF, 4 months study timetable, 88 scheduled test. You will get soft copy PDF, 8,800 MCQs it will have, 275 plus charts and snippet cards, which we call. That's actually, as I told, to by heart all the festivals, all the states, and everything which is match the following of prelims, that will be there in your chart format. Okay, 100% prelim syllabus without CSAT, self-evaluation test PDF, 24/7 doubts guarantee, 100 plus marks guarantee, and this is the fees for which we will give you discount now because it's a public day also. We have put it like this week. If you come and buy, right, you will get it at this much discount. Okay, which even it's lower than the last batch's price, and this is the discount if you are buying the next week. Okay, this I am not even charging. Okay, this is the actual price which we gave for batch 1 and 2 and all. After that, now latest batch, I am giving you this batch, this price if this week, this price if next week. After that, then if you come, I will have to charge you the first original price itself without discount. Okay, and this is the video explanation or the audio explanation where I will read out the MCQs for you. So this one, for out of 88, right, around 30-50 test will be there. Samples you can see in YouTube, as I told, 100 remaining everything is same. Okay, only price is this much, 3,000 rupee difference is there. Okay, this if you buy this week and this if you buy next week. Okay, after that, I will charge this price. Okay, because we want only those people who believe in Vysh Ias, who's waiting for this batch and then directly enrolling. Not like again type passing like what it contains, what it was. This much explanation I have did and still you are not convinced means you actually should not join Vysh Ias. But if it is convinced and you are looking for this model only, then come in this week itself and you will get at the best price also. Okay, this is the only thing which we charge. Remaining everything which we teach you is completely free. Okay, so please discount if you, sorry, installment if you want. Okay, because many people cannot pay in a single go. I know that in this situation and all, you will be students and you will be in Delhi and all. So if you want, you can do it like this. Okay, this same price only, single payment till Jan 31. But if it is installment, we are charging you the other discount, this price. Okay, meaning today you come and you tell I want it installment, you can just start with this. Okay, just pay this one, don't pay remaining. And this one you pay after 1 month. This is February 25. This one you pay again after 1 month. By March only I am asking. Okay, so complete this in 3 stages. And this one, if you see, the same thing with video explanation of a 30-50 test, 1449 is the price. But because I am giving you this discount, in a single payment, I'll give you this one at the 3-time payment. That means today if you want video explanation batch means you just pay this much. Okay, today only this much or tomorrow only this much till 1 week. And then you settle in 2-3 months. Okay, and this completely means I have not kept it. Okay, it's not there for your batch 5. It's not there because you don't have time also. You cannot study means it's not practical. So this 4 months from February 6th, 111 days, I want the most serious aspirant to join Vysh Ias and do what they can. Okay, because this is a do or die batch. I want the most serious aspirant who can study 8 hours a day, hundreds of MCQs a day, and then complete your syllabus and go pass the prelims with Vysh Ias self-study plan. Okay, so please message me, please WhatsApp me. I want result, I want all India toppers, I want the best people to join me, and I'll continue to do my YouTube work which is free of cost. It will never be stopped. So please WhatsApp at 7200-681-675 and we will get started. Okay, and if not joining, please hit subscribe button so that at least you can watch the free videos which we are uploading every single day for you. Okay, together we can crack this. It is possible. Let's go get your big UPSC dream in style. Okay, meaning don't regret. That is the only thing you want. Study and don't regret after the exam. Please do it, and then even if you fail, see that you have done your complete effort from a sincere source, from a sincere mentor. Okay, so help us help you fulfill your dream. This is my WhatsApp number. See you at the other end. Thank you and have a nice day.